Tissues, glands and membranes. Chapter 4. Tissues, glands and membranes. Tissues. Histology is the study of tissues. Four main groups of tissues: epithelial, connective, muscle, nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue forms a protective covering for the body. Is the main tissue of outer layer of skin. Forms membranes, ducts, and the lining of body cavities and hollow organs. Classification: epithelial tissue. Classification by shape: squamous, cuboidal, columnar. Classification by arrangement: simple, stratified, pseudostratified. Special functions of epithelial tissue: traps foreign particles, mucus secreting, goblet cells, cilia, self-repairs quickly, glands, specialized to produce a substance sent out of a body or tissue. Exocrine glands, single cell, multiple cells. Endocrine glands. Exocrine glands have tubes or ducts to secrete substances. Oil glands. Lacrimal glands. Sweat glands. Endocrine glands. Not secreted through ducts, secreted directly into surrounding fluid. Hormones. Connective tissue categorized by physical properties. Circulating connective tissue. Generalized connective tissue. Structural connective tissue. Generalized connective tissue. Two forms: loose, areolar tissue, adipose tissue, dense, irregular, regular, elastic. Loose CT. Areola surrounds organs and vessels. Adipose stores fat. Dense CT. Types of dense connective tissue: irregular, mostly collagenous fibers in random arrangement. Examples: membranes, capsules. Regular, mostly collagenous fibers in parallel alignment. Examples: tendons, ligaments. Elastic, elastic fibers. Examples: vocal cords, blood vessel walls. Structural CT. Cartilage, bone, hyaline cartilage, fibra cartilage. Elastic cartilage. Bone. Osseous tissue. Bone marrow. Structural CT. Muscle tissue. Types of muscle tissue: smooth, involuntary muscle. Non-striated. Lines hollow organs, small intestine, etc. Skeletal muscle. Voluntary muscle. Striated muscle. Cardiac muscle, myocardium. Involuntary muscle. Intercalated discs. Smooth muscle, visceral muscle, muscle tissue. Nervous tissue. Body's communication system is made of nervous tissue. Brain. Nerves. Spinal cord. Nervous tissue. Neuron. Basic unit of nervous tissue. Nerve cell. Body fibers. Dendrite. Axon. Nerve. Neuroglia protect neurons. Form myelin sheath around neurons to speed up impulses. Membranes. Thin sheets of tissue cover a surface. Serve as a divider. Line a hollow organ or body cavity. Anchor an organ. Contains cells that secrete lubricants. Epithelial membranes. Several types: serous, mucous, cutaneous. Serous membranes. Three types of serous membranes: pleuri, serous pericardium, peritoneum. Organization of the serous membrane: parietal layer, visceral layer. Mucous membranes vary in structure and function. Trap and remove foreign particles. Protect deeper tissue. Absorb food materials. Connective tissue membranes. Connective tissue without epithelium. Synovial membranes. Meninges. Fibrous bands or sheets that support and hold organs. Superficial, subcutaneous, fascia. Deep fascia. Membranes that support organs. Fibrous pericardium. Periosteum. Perichondrium.